Welcome back to Night by You Summer Banger, and this is part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, I'll put a link up there. Click on that and go and watch part 1 and see how we came to this. So as you know, I designed my own Presto, used my colorway of my choice, and the ethos behind it was to create a summer banger for 2021. Something that I feel proud, I want people to look and comment on and that type of stuff. And some of the people who commented in the video, in part 1 video, kind of said I didn't push the boundary. But let's see how it looks. I'm really excited for this. It actually took 2 weeks to come out, or 2 weeks to get delivered, so not bad. Typical Night by You. This is the first time I've seen it, so you're going to see my reaction. I'm going to see how this looks. Night by You. Typical Night by You box. Drawer box. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm going to stick that there. I'm going to stick that here. Wow. The first thing that hits me, that hits my nose, it hits my nose, is the smell. I can smell a lot of glue or something. I don't know if it's got some sort of protector on it, but it smells strong. However, can we just have a look at these? Can we just have a look at these? Are you mad? Are you mad? Oh my days. Yes. Now, I could be biased. But I think I've achieved my summer banger look. I think I've achieved it. And the pink, okay. Pink on the midsole. It's slightly off. To be honest, that looks a bit peachy like. The pink on the forefoot, you know what, that looks crisp. You know what, I do appreciate this. I don't know, you have to see it in reality. Maybe, I'm not sure if the video is doing it justice, but I'm liking this. I definitely think I've achieved the summer banger. And I just love, I love the gum sole. Oh my gosh, that gum sole looks lovely. And the black contrast on the midsole, yeah, definitely. I could be biased, you know. I think I'm a bit biased. I'm liking my work, you know. I think I'm a bit biased, but you guys comment below, tell me what you think. And I definitely like the Presto silhouette. I think this is a crisp silhouette for the summer. Light, very airy. I just like the way it looks. I definitely just like the way it looks. And I think if you're in shorts, whether you're wearing sports shorts, wearing jean shorts, wearing canvas type shorts, wearing jersey shorts, these trainers have got you. Let me tell you, these trainers have got you because it's a good look. Now, let's just talk about it a bit more and just go through. So we got the gum outsole. So you got part gum outsole, And the only thing I thought it was going to be more of a rubber gum. What I'm seeing here is almost like the sole or the Duralon. It just seems like it's been painted. I think it's a layer, so the Duralon is a layer and it's been glued on, but it's not the typical rubber sole. So I'll give you an example of what I mean. This is a gum sole, so you can see slightly translucent. Yeah, so if I put it on a light, you can see that it's slightly, you can catch it in some light, it's slightly translucent. And this doesn't give you that translucent look. And I thought that's what it was going to be. But to be honest, the color is spot on. Then you got the rubber, the BRS 1000 rubber, which is hard wearing. I think that black is black, so that's a good contrast. I like that. I like the fact that you got the brown, you got the white that goes all the way through, and then you got the black. So outside just looks crisp to me anyway. But that's just my opinion. You let me know what you think. Then you got the midsole, and this is something that I wanted to do. I didn't want an all white midsole, only on the basis that if you can break it up, I think having a contrast of color always adds that little more detail, makes that trainer look a bit more special. So I'm glad that I've done the black. And one thing I do like the pink dots that are on this part of the midsole. And I like the fact that the Nike is pink, but it does look a bit peachy to me. And then you got the all white upper, cage white. You got the upper material, which is all white. That I think is it neoprene? I don't know. I'm not sure if it's neoprene, but it's all white, and I think that's good. And you got the front toe guard. The front toe guard. I thought it was going to be the see-through toe guard, but it is all white. But to be honest, that's not bad. That's not bad. You got the all white laces. Remember, I was toying with changing the color of the laces, then I thought, nah, let me keep it white. And then you got the insole, which is the Nike black. And then you got the back. And I think I do like that. You got the Nike symbol, air symbol, colored in pink. You can see a bit of quality issues. There is embossed, and they've colored in the Nike symbol and the air lettering. But you can see some of the paint or some of the color that is just coming out of that embossment. But overall, I think this is a good looking trainer or a good looking sneaker. You guys, tell me what you think. I will show you how it looks on foot, and let me know if you like this or you didn't, or you want me to do another colorway, try something different. You let me know in the comments below. This actually cost me £124.95, so it's not that bad. Quality is not that bad, as I was saying. There's a few little bits, the Nike, there's a little thread that's coming out, but generally I think the quality is a good look, especially for a bespoke trainer. In terms of fitment, let me quickly try that on. Size 9. Fitment is clean, comfortable, yeah, true to size. Don't need to do anything different. Same silhouette as other Prestos, so there's no difference there. I'm loving this, and I think I've achieved my goal of summer banger 2021 Night by You. If you actually like this colorway and you actually want to purchase this colorway, then let me know. I can tell you the exact spec, and yeah, go ahead. This is definitely a good look, and I think for 2021, I mean, this is, while summer hasn't fully kicked in, go and get yourself a pair. And yeah, anyway, this has been Sneaky Peeks. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed previously. Thank you for everyone who's been supporting the channel. Ideally, I want to increase. So guys, if you can support me more by subscribing, by liking, I'll be appreciated. And like that, I'm gone.